చెప్పండి రాఘవాచారి గారు.
Sorry to disturb you. I think
చెప్పండి
you hope you are not sleeping.
చెప్పండి.
అదే fixed the case to February 25 postpone చేసింది. అది it is another case.
అది ఢిల్లీ హైకోర్టు కేసు,
అదే
సుప్రీం కోర్టు కేసు కాదు అది.
దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ రియల్లీ మెంట్. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నేను దాంట్లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను.
అది సుప్రీం కోర్టు సపరేట్. సుప్రీం కోర్టు మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ అన్అఫిషియల్ గా చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే రేపు 4th నవంబర్ 14th నవంబర్ రావచ్చు అని అంటున్నారు.
14th నవంబర్ అంటే
it is said to be confirmed.
If it is 4th November, it will be helpful because this present Chief Justice is having a popcorn for retirees. And if he is heard by him before
14th నవంబర్ అన్నారు. 14th నవంబర్ ఏంటో చూడాలి.
14th November that new judge will come under Sanjeev Khanna. New judge, he has already named his successor also.
Correct, but he will be joining only November end.
So
till November end, Mr. Chandrachud will continue.
అట్లనా రిటైర్మెంట్ వరకు కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చా? అంటే బట్ ఈ క్యాన్ టేక్ ఎనీ డెసిషన్ కదా. హలో, అఫీషియల్ గా రిటైర్ అయిన కదా, కెన్ యూ టేక్ డెసిషన్?
బట్ అఫీషియల్లీ రిటైర్ అయింది ఎక్కడ? ఇంకా రిటైర్ కాలేదుగా.
అదే 10th November already. 10th November is the date of retirement actually, as per the paper notification. He himself has named his successor. He will take charge on 11th and ఇచ్చాడు మరి.
చూద్దాం మరి. ఎనీవే దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నోటిఫికేషన్ 14th నవంబర్ కి పోస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చేప్పటికి అది ఫస్ట్ వీక్ ఆఫ్ నవంబర్ లోనే ఇచ్చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వీక్ ఆఫ్ నవంబర్ లో ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? ఆ చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ ఇస్తాడు.
అది కాదు, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అప్లికేషన్ బ్యాంక్ అది ఫైల్ చేసిన దానికి కదా. ఇట్ హాస్ టు బి డిసైడెడ్ బై
Supreme Court. It should be decided by Supreme Court only. Nobody else can lay hand because government has already taken a decision. Let it be decided by the court only.
కరెక్ట్. ఇంకోటి అదర్ కోర్స్, ఉమేష్ చంద్ర కూడా ఒక కేసు ఉంది. అది ఢిల్లీ హైకోర్టులో.
అది ఢిల్లీ హైకోర్టు సపరేట్ అది. అందుకని వాళ్ళు దాంట్లో ఇఫ్ యు సీ ది ఆర్డర్ దే హావ్ క్లియర్లీ మెన్షన్డ్. The matter is already pending before the Supreme Court.
అవును, కరెక్ట్.
Only on hearing from the Supreme Court only they can decide. That's why they have postponed or adjourned to 25th of next year. 25th February 2025.
They will go by
that is the reason why they have adjourned.
Let us hope is heard before.
They made a very specific reference about that.
అవును, అది కరెక్ట్. చూసాను. అందుకో నేను మళ్ళీ ఒక మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను దాంట్లో. దిస్ కేస్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది లేట్ ఎంపీ విచ్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ హర్డ్ బై ది సుప్రీం కోర్ట్, నాట్ బై. అండ్ సెకండ్లీ,
among all other things there is a valid point for the government to lead the matter to court because while removing pension updation from Reserve Bank of India, in the office note they have clearly mentioned if we give to RBI retirees, the same unconditionally they must be given to public sector banks and other financial institutions of the state. It is unconditionally we should give it.
24 February 2.
That is the reason. That is the reason why the government had said that they let it be decided by the court. And one more point here. That is the reason why they have removed pension updation from Reserve Bank of India. Basing on that office note. The irony part of it. Within 2 months of negation, within 2 months of removal of pension updation, they have restored pension updation in RBI within 2 months.
And secondly, it goes without reason. What is applicable to RBI is applicable to public sector.
That's all. It's as good as that. So the case is very strongly in favor of us.
Neither our letter ఉందంటే అది 24 February 2012. I have gone through the letter. పెద్ద లెటర్ అది. In that all the health insurance.
That is the office note we obtained. Say that office note was obtained under RTI through RBI. We got it.
Do you have that copy?
Yes, we have got.
ఉంటే నాకు కొంచెం
That cannot be shared.
నాకు అంటే జస్ట్
No,
ఫర్ మై
no, that the content of the office note we have already put on public domain. Many a time I have sent it on the mail also.
యు ఆర్ మేకింగ్ ఆ రెఫరెన్స్ మీరు మెన్షన్ చేశారు. ఈవెన్ వేణుగోపాల్ ఆల్సో హస్ మేడ్ ఎ మెన్షన్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ రెఫరెన్స్ హి హస్ రిటన్ టు
Actually, that office note was obtained by Qatar. So that office note was obtained by Qatar Satyanarayana of Indian Bank under RTI through Reserve Bank of India. When the matter was referred to Government of India and Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India sent the copy of that office note.
అది నేను దీంట్లో వాట్సాప్ లో చూసాను. అది ఇట్ వాస్ బిగ్ లెంతీ లెటర్ వాస్ దేర్. ఇన్ దట్ దే వాస్ మెన్షన్ అబౌట్ హెల్త్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ గురించి కూడా, వెల్ఫేర్ ఫండ్ గురించి కూడా దే వాస్ కంటెంట్.
That is different, and that is different. I am talking about pension updation. Don't mix up other things.
No, not because ఆ లెటర్ లోనే ఇది కూడా మెన్షన్. అప్పుడు I unfortunately I deleted that message. In that of course
this is 3 years back. What I am telling is 2009 when RBI pension was restored. 2019, is it not? 2019.
First March 2019.
I am talking about 2019.
నేను చూసిన లెటర్ దట్ వాస్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్. క్లియర్లీ దే వాస్ మెన్షన్ అబౌట్ దిస్ ఆఫీస్ 24/2 క్లియర్ గా మెన్షన్ చేశారు. ఇఫ్ సిమిలర్ demand will raise, we have
definitely contagion effect. Similar demand will come, and we have no answer to negate it. Correct. It should be unconditionally applicable to public sector. Unconditionally.
And what
they put it that word in their office note.
అది స్పాన్సరింగ్ బ్యాంక్ ఇవ్వకుండా స్పాన్సర్డ్ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళు మొన్న రీజనల్ రూరల్ బ్యాంక్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు అప్లికబుల్ కదా. స్పాన్సరింగ్ బ్యాంక్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ గవర్న్డ్ బై సేమ్ పెన్షన్ రెగ్యులేషన్.
No, say don't talk. That is different. RRBC is different. I am talking about our case. Say, let us not mix up. So all cases are in favor of retirees only.
Correct.
For instance, even why I approached Supreme Court Chief Justice is the roster master. He is the only authority vested with the Supreme Court Chief Justice to prepone or postpone any case according to the exigencies. No other person can do it. And that is the reason why I approached long back Mr. N.V. Ramana for our case. It's a Singla's case in the month of December. At that time, the case was posted to February because for the reason one of the judges affected COVID. But on my persuasion, and I personally met and represented the matter in his house. I met him, and he next day we got the orders. Within 3 days, we came to know that the case is preponed to 20th January. The preponement date was also informed to the advocates, concerned advocates, late night on the 19th night. So they got astonished. How come this case was abruptly preponed? That is on 20th January. That is the date on which Supreme Court has given an order. Listen to me. Supreme Court has ordered IBA to submit its report.
20th January 2020. I remember 20th January 2022.
So it is only legal recourse now. Now, in spite of all the efforts made by Nirmala Sitharaman for pension updation through legislature, through committee appointing Rajya Sabha committee, Navneet Krishnan committee, right from that day onwards, she has been pursuing. But lot of spokes for hurdles created by IBA and other vested interests in the bureaucracy.
Correct.
Bureaucracy played havoc in this process. Now the situation is different, and finally the government got fed up and they said, let us leave the matter to the court.
Correct.
They put at naught all the foul play games played by IBA through bureaucracy.
Correct. Actually, there is absolutely no justification but the case being for the case.
Absolutely, we are going to get it. It is say. So this itself is an indication when 20 advocates have filed expedite petition. Expedite the case. On that day, Chandrachud got the ఆయనకి ఎక్కడ కాలాలో అక్కడ కాలింది.
Actually,
Say, it is it is a stigma, indelible stigma on Chief Justice.
correct. It reflects on him only, no?
That's why he reacted very sharply, and he said it is a personal prestige is at stake.
Correct.
That too, he uttered this word from the bench as Chief Justice of India, not as
Actually,
Chandrachud.
see, yeah, for
So
all acts,
we should take that in all seriousness and all these things, and let us hope that before laying down his office, he might have ordered.
Thank you. I just want, that's why I was ready because I have seen that message. The case is different from the pair ko veru sapko
No,
advocate
no, I have put that his statement is by legal link.
correct. Correct in
Live law link I put it.
Let us hope for the best.
Let us hope for the best. We will get it. We will shoot to get it. And no associations, no unions have played any role in this matter. But for playing to the galleries by parade grounds, parades, fashion parades, and dharnas and all these things. They are all only for publicity stunt.
Correct.
It is merely publicity stunt. Nothing else.
Correct. Only just
but one thing, Iba Park, they made some efforts by meeting personally Nirmala Sitharaman 3-4 times and explaining the situation. At the instance of Sitharaman, IBA also gave interview for Iba Park. To that extent, they played certain constructive role. Besides that, they also fought the legal battle. That's why Iba Park is in a better footing when compared to all other useless unions.
Correct. Thank you. Sorry for trouble.
Welcome.